Hi friends, I am Gaurav. Today we will explain you the various functions of this built-in microwave MO676. Let's have a look at the control panel. This is the display window, time setting knob, this is the function knob, this is the auto menu, this is pause and cancel, and this is start or reset. This button is for opening the door by pressing it. Have a look at the accessories. This is the grill rack, glass tray, and the turntable ring assembly. So let's have a quick look at the functions of this microwave oven. The first one is single button heating. Only with a single button press you can simply start the cooking. Microwave heating. For quick microwave heating, select this function. Defrost. Rotate the function knob and select the defrost function. Auto menu. You can only need to select the food type and weight, power, and the time will automatically adjust it. This is keep warm. In case you want to keep the food warm for 30 minutes, you need to press this button. Disinfect. Rotate the function knob and select the disinfect function, display, and press start. Combination cooking. This microwave offers you 3 options for combination cooking. This microwave offers you 3 options for combination cooking: G1, Go2 and Go3. For cooking food using options 2 for 15 minutes, rotate the Combi 2 function knob and the LED will display. Go2, rotate time setting knob and set cooking time for 15 and press start. Grill, rotate the function knob and select grill function display, set keep warm timing to 20 and press start. Child safety lock. Under standby position, to activate the child safety, press pause and cancel button for 3 seconds. This will display here. To remove this, you have to press this button again for 3 seconds to deactivate. To setting up the clock, this microwave can be used as clock. To set the current time, press the auto menu button for 3 seconds. The clock symbol will flash in the display. Rotate the time knob, press the auto menu button again to rotate the time setting knob. Then you have to press this again to set the time of this microwave. Cleaning the microwave after cooking is very easy. Once it's cooled down, use a damp cloth to clean the cavity at the door. The accessories like grill rack, stand can be washed with the warm and soapy water. I hope friends the information given in this video will provide helpful to all of you. In case of any assistance, please call us on 9717156666. Thank you.